Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some trendy farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Farmhouse decor blends the rustic comfortable charm of country style homes with contemporary touches. Here are some of the key features. Core features: a neutral, soft color palette, think whites, creams, beiges, light grays, soft and natural tones. Use of natural and reclaimed materials. Wood, often with visible grain or distressing. Metal, iron or old iron accents. Stone, etc. Functional, welcoming spaces. The style originally comes from practical farmhomes. Modern interpretations aim for that feel of being lived in, comfortable rather than ultra polished. Rustic elements plus modern updates. For example, barn style doors, shiplap walls, exposed wood beams, draped with minimalist or cleanly knit furniture. What makes it trendy now? The modern farmhouses variant is especially popular. It gives the farmhouse DNA, but Paris is back, so it doesn't look overly vintage or country themed. Key elements to include walls and floors, natural on walls, flooring often a warm wood or wood look, accent walls with shiplap or vertical, horizontal boards can work. Furniture and decor. Furniture with wood, distressed wood finishes, metal accents, black iron, wood, open shelving, vintage or heirloom pieces mix the newer ones. Textures and accessories: oven baskets, jute or wool rugs, natural fiber throws, plants to bring in softness and nature. Color accents: while neutrals dominate, you can add muted greens, blues, or even matte gold brushed for subtle color. Tips for your styling in space: mix new and vintage. A new sofa with cleanliness plus an antique side table works well. Let elements like exposed beams or reclaimed wood tell some story or texture rather than just being decorative. Balance: if you go heavy on rustic wood and textures, keep the palette light and the lines relatively simple, so the space stays open the fresh rather than heavy. Mix rustic with refined, blends weathered wood with sleek modern accents. For example, a reclaimed wood dining table paired with modern metal chairs. Rustic open shelves with polished marble or quartz countertops. Keep the color palette soft. Stick to neutral tones like ivory, taupe, and warmth white. Add soft pops of color, such green, dusty blue, or clay, for a calm and balanced feel. Thanks for watching this video.